train up in New Albany at our park down here.
Yeah, here's our spot I got flooded right here.
Down by the river. You can see the Ohio River still right there.
Yeah, and there's a car coming.
He just rode through the edge there and got into the parking lot. They're pushing the mud back into the river right now.
And there's a barge coming, right?
There's a barge coming down the Ohio. Well, let's take a peek. No. Sure is a barge coming across the river. Going down the river. We're looking at that train bridge. We're hoping to get something on that train bridge, but I'm not sure we're going to get anything today. So anyway, it's kind of fun. Ohio River got really high and it flooded out, and you'll see this is a place where we used to walk next to the water there, and well, the water's way down generally, but it's kind of neat to see a little bit. They're working on cleaning up our mess down here. That's the bathroom facility that we use often, and the park we play in.
This is one of our spots.
J&J Rail fans out on a chase, catching a barge on the Ohio River. Came down to the Ohio, no train action, but there is a barge coming across the flooded Ohio, so thought it might be fun to catch it today. That's what it looks like. Heard that the river crested around here on Wednesday, and it's now Sunday, so you'll see down here some benches that we usually sit on, and they're far from the water generally, but today it's in the water. All right. Amaze me about the amount of water they push those barges down the Ohio. Quite a bit of power here too. May not be rail power, but it's water power. It's kind of fun. We kind of live in a fun area where we can catch water and rail and the whole works. It's kind of fun. Interstate 64 going from Indiana to Louisville, Kentucky. It's called the Sherman Minton Bridge. She's going under the Sherman Minton. Thanks for watching. J&J Rail fans, God bless and have a great day.